Hi, and welcome back to CarShield's tips and tricks to keeping your car on the road longer. I'm your host, Jason Lewis. Today, we're going to be talking about your car battery. Now, car manufacturers over the years have placed car batteries in your trunk, under the back seat, in the cab of the car, and of course, under the hood. And that's where we'll be today. After the video, a good adventure for you would be to locate the battery in your car. As we all know, the battery is what gives your car power to do just about everything, and most importantly, start the engine. With some very simple steps, you can avoid being inconveniently stranded with a car that won't start. First thing, make sure the battery isn't sliding around in the bracket that it's mounted in. Second, if you own a battery probe, you can connect it and monitor the health of your battery. I should mention that when inspecting your battery posts, and that's the red and black points of contact, and you find they're corroded, be sure to take it to your mechanic to have them cleaned. While there, they can also test your battery, in most cases for free, and replace it if needed. Testing your battery on your own or at the mechanic can really save you from the hassle of being inconvenienced with an unexpected breakdown. Because as we all know, it'll happen at the worst time. Murphy's Law is always in effect. Something else to listen out for is if your engine struggles to start. That's your battery talking to you. The voltage is likely low. Also, if you smell a foul odor or your check engine light comes on, it's time to investigate. Your car battery won't last forever, but you can give yourself the peace of mind that you won't get stranded from a dead battery with these helpful tips. Well, that wraps up our tips for today. We'll see you next time on CarShield's Tips and Tricks. Don't forget, CarShield cars go farther.